Ver.
La llanta haciéndose así chuequita tampoco nos va a ayudar.
Oh, ya está chueca la llanta. But he's still gonna go for it.
Esa es la razón de que no quiso rodar bien.
He's still gonna go for it. Vamos a ir bien alto y después hacer un suicide bomb. Ahí va. Oh, this is gonna be kind of hard.
¿Ya no lo ves?
I don't see it because the sun is hitting me, but I'm pretty sure it's there. Somewhere in there. Ah. Pretty cool.
Maybe I can keep it up there for a little bit.
Churro.
Está haciendo mucho aire para hacerlo de ese lado. Too close?
Woo! Too close, man. Woo! You scared me.
Oh, you said you wanted it close.
Well, that was too close, my friend. I was all concentrated in the camera that I didn't listen where what like I saw that thing too. I'm like,
Oh, you said you wanted it close. That's what you got.
okay. You almost lost the plane right there. I can tell you that. Right? Ahí va, Fer. To work.